And there'll also be a new champion in the ISSA Urban Schoolgirls Volleyball competition as the holders Campion College were defeated 3-0 by former champions Wolmer's girls at the semi-final stage on Wednesday. A well-organized and offensive Wolmer's were out of the blocks quickly and led from start to finish, taking the first set 25-22. The second set was almost a carbon copy of the first, 25-23, although Campion tried their utmost to get on terms. Wolmer's wrapped up the contest 25-21 and will meet Immaculate Conception in the Urban Girls Championship set for Thursday, April 23.
I spoke with them in terms of making some adjustment to our game, and I'm happy that they were disciplined enough to do that during the game. And just as how we intended for it to happen, that's how the game went. So I'm pleased with their performance, the discipline on defense especially, and that is what really brought us through.
We were right there with them and played around, serve ball outside, serving to the libero so that they can make easy pass and set up their game. And when we started now, after we lose the first two sets, and we started to say, this is serious, and start keep the ball from the libero, that is when we start to string a few points together. But then they started serving even tougher, and we were responding as quickly as we ought to have. And that cost us the game in the long run. Because at one